Unit 12. Flags and their colors. Listening. Listen to the sentences. Tick the correct pictures. Number 1. Bangladesh's flag has a red circle on a green rectangle. Number 2. China's flag has one large yellow star and 4 smaller yellow stars on a red rectangle. Number 3. Russia's flag is a tricolor of white, red, and blue. Number 4. A white flag is a symbol of peace or end of war.